loves. I'm really excited to finally show you what I got in Spain. I had a little bit of a mini haul, a little mini shopping spree, and I just want to unbox it real quick and show you what I got. As usual, I am getting ready. It's kind of like a date night, but slash business date. We do have to meet some people. I only have a couple minutes. It will be quick, but let me start with my favorites, which come from Loewe. Or should I start with the Prada? Let me start with Loewe. Okay, I'm like sweating in these lights, and I have to stay cute for dinner. As soon as we touched down, the city that we arrived in first was Madrid, and I knew both Madrid and Barcelona had outlets. I knew I had to check those out because unlike some of the outlets here, they had a lot of the European brands in the outlet. So of course, I was looking for something that I couldn't get here in the States, or looking for prices on certain items that I couldn't get here in the States. Of course, you know I had to get a bag. I'm like starting with the best of the best first. Surprisingly, as much as I love pink, I only have my pink Christian Dior tote and then also a bag from Projects that are pink bags. And I've been looking constantly for some really cute pink bags in different shades because I love like all shades, especially more on the purple hue side of the spectrum. And wouldn't you know it, something that I definitely didn't have, something that I don't even know if they're selling as much anymore. They've kind of changed the design in a way where I prefer like the original design. So I was really glad that I got this. Mind you, it's been like 5 or 6 months since we went. So hopefully they would still have it if it's something that interests you. I got the Loewe Paseo. Oh my gosh. The main reason for us going to the outlets are to get better discounts. But on top of that, we all know the VAT tax allows you to get money back from tax. And then also some of the European prices are just lower. Not all. There are some brands that, you know, they can't give us any breaks. We know who they are. But this particular bag retailed for $2,700, and in the outlet I paid, where's my phone? In the outlet in Spain for this one, I paid 1,600 euros. So that was like around 1,800, 1,900 USD. Then for the VAT tax at the end, I got 5 things total, and I got $500 back from my VAT tax. So split that up, add it how you want. Hey, babe, let's see how we can get this done. Sorry, but my husband has to finish getting ready, so it's gonna be a little chaotic today, but I said I was gonna get it done. So I got the Paseo. This is the size small. I paid basically $1,800, and then you get the VAT tax refund at the end. It does come with the strap. It's like the softest leather ever. I'll have to show you a close-up. Maybe I'll do the close-ups when we get back. I love the color on this. I love the pleating, the pleats, front and back, and then also the little tassels with the knots at the bottom. Those are like my favorite thing. You're so cute. Look at you. Think about it in the shower and then let me know when you get out. Okay, next up, still from Loewe. I just thought this was really cute. I was really checking out and I saw this in the glass thing drawers that they have at the checkout counter. It was only $100, and that's like 100 USD. It was, I don't know, maybe like 90 something euro. Is this not so cute? It's a balloon. It's a leather balloon, and I want to use it as a bag charm. I think it was intended to actually go around your neck and carry little, as they say, bits and bobs. I could probably fit like a lip gloss, probably a mirror, or my Guerlain lip gloss mirror combination, and then maybe like a travel perfume or something. I don't think any cards will actually fit in here, so it's kind of funny. But I think it's adorable. It's so cute. It's just like a balloon, and it even has the part that you blow up and the knot. Even my husband thought it was so cute. He was like, yeah, just throw that in there. Of course, it's pink, and then on this end, they have the Loewe. It's like, kind of reminds me of like dice. It's just one solo die, but it's got the anagram Loewe. But this was so cute. I couldn't pass it up. I've seen it on the resale websites for like $500, and I'm like, that had to be the original price, because even me paying 100 I thought was a little bit cheap for that, but 500 is a little excessive. I feel like somewhere in the middle would be reasonable, especially if it's used. For the final thing from Loewe that I got, they are called the Loewe Toy Strass. Toy Strass, maybe? Toy Strass pump. And they're pink also. And they have the prettiest crystals all over. Loewe stamped on the bottom. And they're just this funny shape. I feel like they give more room in the toe because they're this like awkward shape. But I'm actually gonna wear these tonight, so I had to get this unboxed. Do you need to come through, babe? Okay, so I had to get these unboxed. I was looking for this tag for the longest. Oh, and the reason why I'm like unbagging everything and not unboxing is because I had to leave the boxes in Spain, of course, to travel as light as possible. What, babe? I know. Goodness gracious. This is like the most messed up video. Oh, good. They gave me the little heel stops, extra heels. Should I wear this dress or something else to dinner? I'm wearing the shoes though. Oh, I don't even think you can see the whole outfit. I haven't decided which bag to wear yet. Oh my gosh, but these are, so yeah, my bag has to come with it. Last thing. Oh yeah. What is this one called? This is from Prada. This bag, I know I spent 600 euros on, and it is called the Prada Napa Leather Signo, top handle Signo. Isn't this so cute? They actually had a special at this outlet, and it was like a few of the bags, they were already of course discounted. Well, they're discounted because they're an outlet, but they had a discount on top of that because the outlet was having a sale. And then on top of that, they had like maybe 7 bags that were $600 for some reason. That was just like the flat price. And I couldn't decide between this one or the teal color one. But I think just because I wear a lot of pink and purple, that the purple, this plummy kind of purple eggplant color, would work in my wardrobe better than the teal, even though the teal would have been so cute for like a pop of color. You know, I love how this opens. It's like a little mouth. It's like a little monster mouth. It's the simple things. But it does also come with a strap. Very simple, and I like that it also has this little lip here too, so that if you open it, all your stuff doesn't just spill out. I thought that was a nice little touch because they didn't really have to add that extra leather piece. And it's so soft and squishy. We know I love squishy bags, soft bags, so this one's really soft leather. And it's got structure, but it still has that softness. Like that is what I look for. Something with structure, something unique, something fun, but also very soft. The original price is 2,700. Like I said, I paid 600 euro, which is 702 USD. And then again, I got the 500 back. So that kind of, you know, filters through all of these. Oh, and the shoes, my shoes, I didn't tell you how much those cost. So the shoes were 1,100 euro, and that converts to 1,287. These are still being sold for 1,750. So I saved about 500 just getting them from the outlet, getting them from Europe, and then again, the VAT tax on top of that. So if you divide everything equally, these are $1,000, girl math. Oh, that's cute. Again, I'm all over the place. First of all, it's been too long since I've done this. And second of all, we're in a rush. Hubby's getting ready in here, and this is just a little chaotic. You can't even see it though. It's great. Everything's perfect. Babe, should I just redo this whole video? I'm gonna figure out what purse I need to wear. I need to get the rest of my jewelry on, and then I'll do the close-ups when I get back. No, I'm not feeling that one either. Let me help him too.